Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how you can use your vit.edu email ID to get a free designing software for educational purposes, which is like totally awesome to use. For that, you'll have to go to a software known as Fusion 360 on Google. I'll search this and this first link of autodesk.in Fusion 360. This link should appear. You click on it. Now you let's type in student's license. Okay, so it directly takes us to the educational access to Autodesk products. Okay, here you can see all the applications that are available for students use absolutely for free on students educational access. So here what you have to do is you wait a second. What you have to do is you need to sign in with your vit.edu email ID. So for my it is okay. See, you can see there is no email account in this email ID, so we'll create an account here. I'll type my first name. Now I'll type in the vit.edu email ID, and here it's confirmed again. I'll type some password. Okay, and now I agree to the terms of use and privacy statement. You can go ahead and read it. I already read it, so I'll create the account. If you want to receive marketing messages, trends, events, special offers, you can check this box. Otherwise, you can uncheck it. I will uncheck it for now because I don't need these messages. Okay, so here we can see the software which is available for us for students access, educational access, various like these are some really good top-notch applications in this industry. So for designing, like the one of the most used designing software is called Fusion 360. We'll get started here. Use our vit.edu email ID. State signed in. Now we have the option to set up our educational profile. So, okay, country, territory, region, mine is India. So, India, educational role student, educational type university, post secondary. My is month is May 12th. This information is really important, so you need to enter it very accurately. Okay. Okay, you have to type in our college name, and our college name will appear here. Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune, Maharashtra. Select this. Enrollment date. some May, somewhere around May 2025. Okay, now we select next. Your account is now updated to access the Autodesk education community. We can continue now. We still need to confirm your eligibility for educational access to Autodesk products, or click to get started to begin the process. Okay, we'll again click get started. See, all the information which we had entered earlier has come here up here. We'll click confirm. Now confirm eligibility using your educational institutional credentials. We click the blue box. It will do some verification. Okay, now we have got the confirm message. I don't know why it's not updated here. Maybe my network problem, but we have confirmed. We have got the confirmation message that congrats, we have confirmed you're eligible for educational access to Autodesk products and your account status has been updated. Your access will last for 12 months from the confirmation of eligibility date, after which you can renew if you are still eligible. Now let's get started. Start designing and making. You can see now it's saying that it's valid for 12 months, but you can still renew if you are still eligible, because we are going to get graduated till in 25, the year 25 2025. So we will be eligible till 2025. I mean, we can use this software for free till 2025. Otherwise, this software costs around 1,200 per month as a subscription fee. So you can see it's very, very helpful to use this educational access. So we can go to get Autodesk software and see now. We had Earlier we had get started option. Now we can get all these products for free, and we can use it like with full access. There is no restrictions on the features we can access from this. It's full access. So for Fusion 360 we'll get the product, and now it comes access. We'll access it. It says thank you for downloading Fusion 360, and it starts downloading here. Once it gets downloaded, you can go ahead, run it, install it, inst- follow whatever steps it's there in the installation process. Once it's installed, you can go to your Fusion software and log in there with your vit.edu email ID. And after that, I'll post another video about how to do the basic designing, and it's basic and advanced type of designing. I'll record another video and post it very soon, within a week. So yeah, till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.